What's your favorite view?
View. I didn't understand. View in the sense?
What's your favorite view? For suppose some people like sunrise, some people like sunset. That's it.
My favorite view.
Yeah.
I think, yeah, sunset, beaches.
My favorite view is your eye.
My God.
That's it.
Really?
Really?
You don't have girlfriend, na? She will beat
I
you.
don't have girlfriends. I have only crushes. You are my
Okay.
first crush. You are my crush in my list. First list number 1.
Let's see.
So keep shining and keep entertaining us. Thank you so much. Your precious time.
Thank you, Dev.
Okay.
మీరు శారీ ఫిలిం 4th రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది, చూడండి. మీకు ఒక కన్ఫ్యూజన్ నుంచి క్లియరెన్స్ వస్తుంది బై సీయింగ్ హెర్ బ్యూటీ ఆన్ బిగ్ స్క్రీన్స్.